Next is the mudra section, because I'm a great fan of mudra because I have experienced it. It works wonder, and there are a lot of mudras which, if you practice on a regular basis, you will feel a great difference in your well-being. So, like the basic is the Gyan mudra, where we touch the index finger with the thumb, with the both hand. You have to do it like, got it? This is called Gyan mudra. This is very good for your relaxation, mental well-being, sleep, and anxiety, depression, memory, concentration. This all, matlab, basically this keeps your brain at relaxed position. Okay, at the relaxation. So this regarding mudra, you can sit at Sukhasana comfortably. You can sit and you can just pose this, or you can do it at any time, watching TV, walking, doing anything. You can just simply do it and do your stuff. So this is the best thing about mudra. I find it that आप चलते फिरते कुछ भी करते, you can apply this. Okay, you can use it, and yes, it is very effective. So in my subsequent videos, I'll be telling you about it more. Now the last part is about the counseling. I do counseling to all my patients, because when I do take case taking, I find कि उनका reason of pain, reason of discomfort कहाँ है. So if you counsel them and if you make them understand their problem, then they will be better equipped to fight it back. You agree? So the counseling is done by like telling them the affirmations. So for this situation, COVID situation, I will tell you कि you can just repeat this affirmation that I am a loving, peaceful soul, and I have abundance of love and happiness around me, and I am strong, I am fit, I am beautiful, I am at peace. If you repeat it and do take deep breathing, so if you do it, it gives you an influx of positive energy, and your mind is away from all the negative thoughts. And the more, it's the universe law, the more you focus on one, जिस पे भी आप focus करोगे, you are going to get that thing back. Okay, if you focus on the good thing, you will get the good things. So I hope the things will be of some use to you. So stay connected to me, and just like it, subscribe me. If you have any issue, if you have any disease, you can consult me. All the options are open to you: telephonic, online, or appointment to clinic. Stay happy, stay fit.